Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you're signed in as an admin and saving any open files. This prevents update conflicts. Once done, close heavy apps and open Start, then Settings. Navigate to Update and Security and click Windows Update so you can check for system and app delivery. Make sure the laptop is on power. If battery is low, plug it in. This sequence prepares Windows and the store to fetch app updates without interruptions, which reduces install failures and restarts. Next, you update applications delivered through the Microsoft Store. Open the store, select Library, and tap Get Updates. Let the apps download and install. Meanwhile, open Device Manager to scan for driver updates. Right-click devices like display and network adapters and choose Update Driver to avoid software conflicts. If the store stalls, close it and relaunch, or run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. These steps ensure both the app packages and underlying. To finish, restart Windows so pending updates and app installs complete. After reboot, open key apps and check their About or Settings page to confirm new versions. If an app misbehaves, go to Settings, Apps, select the app and choose Repair or Reset to restore files without reinstalling. Make sure to check for specific error messages. If problems continue, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair system files. Note any error codes to research targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.